What up, guys? It's Ted with That Black Brigade. We are here at my storage unit working on the Jeep. We are putting a bumper on it. Once again, I came with a bumper. I didn't like it, so I took it off and I mounted my high lift jack back there. And I loved it. I still do love it, but you know, I'm gonna try something different. You know, see how it looks. You know, if it doesn't look good, we'll take it off, put the high lift back there, see if we can find something different. But yeah, I'm gonna modify this bumper a little bit because, as you can see, it had a spare tire mount on it, and I want to get rid of that. So I'm gonna cut that off. Eventually I'll probably weld a plug on the hole that will be there. As you can see, I already started on this little bracket which held it in. And yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm waiting for one of my batteries to charge up on my angle grinder so we can finish cutting that off, and then cut the axle off of the bumper, and then yeah, we'll cut it off. I'll video that, of course. We'll cut that off. We'll paint it. I got some wrinkle cut or wrinkle spray paint, whatever it is, and we're gonna do that. I've already taken off my hitch because, as you can tell, this one comes with a hitch. I've already taken the mounts off that I had that were holding my high lift jack on there. So yeah, we're kind of committed now. Not really, but kind of. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, hopefully this looks sweet. I'm excited for it because I've had no bumper on the back for the longest time. I used to have a tube bumper on the back. It didn't really fit the vibe of the Jeep, so I took it off and, like I said, put the high lift on there. But yeah, I will catch back up with y'all when we get working on it. All right, guys. Well, I got the bumper kind of on, as you can see. I'm not done with that. I'm gonna eventually take this bumper back off and finish smoothing that out, make it completely flush with the bumper, paint it. Like I said, I got that crinkle spray paint, and then I gotta cut this off. Probably I'm gonna weld that, or I'm gonna cut that off, sand it flat, weld a little piece on there so that it's nice and smooth. Spray it, obviously. I mean, as you can tell, there's some little imperfections in the bumper that I'm gonna end up spray painting or crinkle coating. Yeah, I got 2 more bolts I gotta put in. This thing's been a pain. It's really heavy. I'm by myself. Almost had it fell on me once, so I'm gonna put these 2 bolts in and get some more hardware tomorrow, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow night. So this is gonna be a two-nighter. So hopefully this video will be good for y'all. Nice length. Yeah, I will catch back up with y'all tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? So we're back working on the Jeep. I got 4 more bolts on underneath where it mounts to the hitch. As you can see, we've been working on cutting off this axle where the spare tire used to go. It's pretty thick. I've already gone through like 3 blades. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get any further tonight with the hacksaw. So I'll have, maybe I'll be able to get it with an angle grinder. That might be able to cut through a little better. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any farther with that. We still haven't gotten any farther with that portion. Yeah, hold up. I got some new vinyl for some decals. I want you guys to let me know what you think of the color. It looked good online, but I don't know how I feel about it now in person. To me, it kind of looks a little pink. And on camera, it's probably not gonna look pink. Probably looks red, but in person, it looks a little pink. I don't know how it would look in the dark. I mean, does it look any different in the dark? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of it. Maybe my new vinyl for the stickers. So yeah, and if you don't know what stickers I'm talking about these and all of the ones on my back glass. My postie, my last name, maybe the Sundown, my Truck Club Elite Designs, my Peach State Pride, my other Instagram name, this side, the mirror. We're leaving that chrome because that's our little local group. We all got a chrome one. Oopsies. This mirror one and also the Far From Stock one. So yeah, let me know guys what y'all think of it. I already have somebody making some for me, so I'm just gonna have to pick between those two, and you know, I might have to do something else with the other ones. But yeah, I guess I'll catch back up to y'all when we finish the bumper. See ya. Alright, what guys, so we met up with Andrew.
Hello, hello.
He is also an ED. You know, had to drop off that vinyl I was telling you about. We're gonna see how it looks. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. It looks a little pink. But it's got a lot of sparkle in it. What do you think about it?
It's gonna go fine. It's especially in the ED logo. You know what I'm saying? You know one better than that. ED's the way.
ED's the way. So yeah, I'll catch back up with y'all when we get back on the bumper or whatever we run into. Alright, see y'all. Alright guys, we got that axle cut off. Now all we gotta do is finish cutting that off, grind it flat, grind that flat, and then touch up the bumper wherever it needs touch-ups. And we're good. We are solid. Yeah, that'll probably do it for now. And I'll see you on the next video. Live it by the minute.